Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening shortcuts and building a base action sequence. Do this now rather than stalling on settings. Add the core actions, open app, run URL, set variable, and name the shortcut for clarity. Once created, test it from shortcuts so you know it works. Make sure to set input types and parameters if the widget must receive data. This avoids runtime failures. Because widgets call shortcuts indirectly, a clean, modular shortcut makes debugging and later edits far simpler and faster. Next, assemble the widget. Open the widget gallery and choose Run Shortcut or a third-party widget host. Pick the correct size, small for single action, medium for multiple, and map the tapped area to the shortcut you created. Insert quick look or formatted text as the shortcut's final action so the widget displays meaningful output. Once done, adjust refresh frequency and add conditional logic inside the shortcut to handle empty data, because unintended blank displays are the most common usability issue. Finally, place the widget on your home screen and link it to the shortcut you built. Confirm the icon and label are clear. Test all interactions, tap to run, long press for edit, then observe output and refresh behavior. If the widget fails, first verify permissions and network access, then ensure variables are initialized and no actions require foreground-only permission. One key troubleshooting tip: add logging actions or quick look steps inside the shortcut so you can isolate which action is breaking without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.